Are you looking for the best contour gauge? Here we will break down the top 8 best contour gauge on the market. In this video, have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. General Tools 837 Metal Contour Gauge. General Tools 837 6-in. Contour gauge is one of the best contour gauges. This tool can duplicate any shape instantly. This profile gauge creates an instant template for curved and odd-shaped profiles easily and also makes measuring and cutting easy. Profiles never get transferred to paper or cardboard again. Reminiscent of a haircomb, the tool features a row of long thin, movable teeth and a perpendicular housing that holds them in place as they take an impression of the surface. This tool is also known as a profile comb. This tool fits around the most common pipes and round columns. It allows you to copy shapes to tile, laminate, engineered wood, solid wood, and vinyl flooring to precisely cut flooring to match objects easily. It'll even help you bend conduits at the copied angle. This tool eliminates the guessing of dimensions of irregular shapes. This contour gauge duplicator assures the creation of exact replication of the copied shape with the 35 leaves per inch. It can also measure profiles up to 3.5 inches deep. The profile gauge has a durable and sturdy structure. It has rust-resistant stainless steel pins for long-lasting performance and greater precision than plastic teeth. This template tool also has ruler markings in 1-inch increments on its body. The General Tools 837 6-inch contour duplication gauge is ideal for woodworking, linoleum installation, or any job or hobby where contour duplication is essential. At number 2. Contour Gauge Duplicator. This contour profile gauge is one of the best contour gauges. This tool can easily copy any shape, including irregular shapes, instant template for marking precise tile cuts. This contour gauge is a professional tool for commercial or occasional use. It has a sturdy structure which makes it durable. It is made of high-quality ABS plastic, high-strength, and rust-proof material. This contour gauge duplicator can easily locate profiles or edges and can accurately transfer to the material to be cut. Just simply press the tooth against the object to match the contour and then track the shape needed. This tool is designed for winding pipes, circular frames, ducts, and many objects. It's ideal for fitting tiles, laminate, carpet, checking dimensions, molding, etc. This tool is a useful tool for operations on car bodies, carpentry, and for all kinds of modeling. The size is 5.7 and 4.13 and 0.87, in which allows you to carry it with you at any time. This product supports 60 days unconditional refund, 365 days replacement service. You can contact a supplier if you have any problems with the product. At number 3. General Tools 833 Joinable Contour Gauge. Still from the same brand, General Tools 833 highly deserves to share with you. Its wonderful feature is the capability to be joinable. When you need a longer 20-inch contour gauge, this 10-inch contour duplicator can be joined together. There are 3 benefits using this stuff. 1. Joinable. Just remove the 4 Phillips screws to join them. 2. Better resolution. Slightly better with 18 pins inch resolution. And 3. Comes with 4 magnetic blocks that are stuck on the back. The magnetic blocks will be very useful when you work on ferrous objects. It will easily stick to make your job a lot easier. In summary, this is an amazing tool for easy copy and duplicating a profile such as woodworking or tile flooring installation. There is always a flexible choice. When dealing off with small objects, use one piece. Otherwise, combine the two and feel the heavy-duty 10-inch contour gauge. In addition to the build quality, it is crafted from solid durable plastic. Plus, the standard 2-unit system inch and millimeters are available to support everyone's measurement. Spec. Length. 10-inch. Depth. 1.25 inch. Resolution. 18 pins inch. 0.055 inch. At number 4. AlexBasic Contour Gauge Duplicator. This AlexBasic Contour Gauge Duplicator is a good choice for craftsmen. This profile gauge or contour gauge is used for recording the cross-sectional shape of a surface. This contour gauge measures 10 inches and consists of a set of ABS pins, high strength and rust-proof. This profile gauge tool is used widely in metalworking and woodworking for decorative moldings or pots. The working procedure is easy. Just simply press the tooth against the object to match the contour and then track the shape you need. This tool is ideal for winding pipes, circular frames, ducts, laminate, checking dimensions, molding, etc. At number 5. Wolfcraft Strong Clamp Locking Contour Gauge. What we highlight from this Wolfcraft is its big clamp. It gives higher pressure due to the larger clamp. This will make your contour modeling becomes more accurate. This German-made tool is perfect for a short-range contour line. With its specification, you could copy any of the irregular edge lines on the floor with length no more than 5.1 inch. And also, it will do the job in the depth range of 3 centimeters. If you want to copy the contour when working on laminate flooring, then this should be sufficient. For you who are based in the UK, which means some of the contour gauges on this list may not available, however, we make sure that this one is available. Glad to report it for you. At number 6. Varsk Contour Gauge. Varsk Contour Gauge lets you work easily. It comes with a special upgraded heavy-duty metal lock to ensure a great locking mechanism to the entire pins during the work. This allows you to create a precise duplication. The best thing about the Varsk Contour Gauge is you can adjust the pin tightness as you want. Using an Allen wrench which is included in the box, you could set your own tightness. Along with the lock, you could hold the shape tightly and very easily end up with more accurate contour duplication. Another great thing is its pin depth. It provides 2.5-inch pin depth, which is very good to allow you to duplicate properly most of the object contours. As it comes with 10-inch length, this one should be able to cover most jobs. Overall, as we have updated the list, Varsk Contour Gauge is the best choice overall so far. It comes with great features. Adjustable pin tightness and metal lock. Its spec is also great, suitable to use for most jobs. Since it's made from premium ABS plastic, it would be great to use for woodworking. It doesn't scratch the wood. It's also great for tiling, flooring, ceramic, carpet laying. At number 7. BE91 ITER Double Locking Knob Contour Gauge. As you could see, the double knob is present on the 10-inch contour gauge. It's as expected because the more the pins, the greater the pressure required to tighten them all. Herewith, you will never find the pins moves even a small move. The pin depth is very good. It's 3-inch depth impression. As we compare, it's the deepest pin impression amongst all. Don't worry. There are 2 knobs, it should be sufficient to lock the pins together. All in all, this will be a great purchase for you. It comes with a set of 2 contour gauges. That said, this is also an economical option while giving you some great advantages such as the pin depth and locking system. At number 8. Saker Contour Gauge. The pin depth is about 2 inches more, while the overall length of the product is 10 inches. We consider this dimension is mostly used by users. This pin arrangement may move while you are trying to transfer the shape, don't worry because it's designed with a lock clamp that will tighten the pin arrangement. You could also set the pin tightness as preferred. The combination of the lock knob mechanism and tightness setting would hold all the pins together so that it won't move if you change the gauge position. Overall, Saker is a great option. It gives you some nice features and functions. Since there is no decent information on this product by far, we enlisted in the 3rd position.